What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm going to be talking about the pros and cons of owning Section 8 rental properties. My name is Brian Tran. I own over 20 units, and I bring in over $40,000 a month in positive cash flow. So without further ado, let's go right into the video. So what is Section 8? Section 8 is a government program that helps, provide affordable housing, and typically they will pay 80 to 90% of that renter's rent. It's beautiful because it's guaranteed. So here's what I've been doing, and this is my real life situation. I bought 3 properties out in Alabama. They range from $110,000 up to about $135,000. They were 3 bedrooms and 4 bedrooms. The beautiful thing, guys, is that in this area of Alabama, Section 8 were paying a lot. For a 3 bedroom, they were paying $1,350, and for a 4 bedroom, they were paying $1,600 a month. That is more than I could have gotten if I had rented it to a regular person or a regular family. With this program, after paying all the expenses, the mortgage, the insurance, the property tax, and the property manager, I'm cash flowing $400 to $500 every single month. That, guys, is a huge pro. Amazing, right? I'm bringing in good cash flow. But let's talk about some of the cons that I did not know, going into this. One of the first cons of buying Section 8 rentals is that I didn't realize how freaking slow the government works. Now, I knew they were slow. We see all the projects going on around here that's government funded. It is not fast. But literally from the day that you close on the property and getting a Section 8 renter in can take anywhere from 45 days to 60 days. So just be prepared, guys, that for 1 to 2 months, you're going to be covering that mortgage payment, right? Which is going to suck, but that's why you have to have a cushion. You always have to have a buffer. The second con of renting to Section 8 is that, they have to do an inspection on the property. And, this is not a bad thing because the water heater should be double strapped. The sink and faucet should not be leaking. And they look for a number of things. And if you don't pass that inspection, they won't allow you to rent on Section 8. But, at the end of the day, these are things that you should be doing to your property anyways. So I actually look at it as a little bit of a pro because, they're doing a free inspection and telling you, things that you should fix to make sure that you're kind of upkeeping your property and making sure that it's good. Yeah, like that?
Another con, people suck.
Let me see. Let's go. Ready?
Here you go. 3, 2.
Another con that may or may not apply to, the whole Section 8 program, but, I've had some of these Section 8 units kind of get a lot more wear and tear because, they just don't typically care about the property so much. I'm not saying they destroy it, but, things are breaking a little often sometimes. But a pro is that typically with Section 8, I'm seeing my tenants kind of stay there for a good amount of time, right? Like, they don't leave, which is good because what kills you on rental properties are vacancies, right? So let's say they move out and you got to prep the place, clean the place, and then get it marketed. Sometimes you can lose 1 to 2 months of rental income. But with Section 8, what I'm seeing is that, they don't typically move as often, especially when you buy a 3 bedroom or a 4 bedroom house and they have families. They're not going anywhere because they want to make sure their kids are finishing high school and all that stuff. And so, that's huge for me. Like, the less turnover you have, the more money. And guys, the best part of Section 8, and this is a big pro that I have to bring it up again, is that a good chunk of the rent is guaranteed by the U.S. government. And that sense of security, guys, I absolutely love it because I'm coming from a place of running multiple businesses, and sometimes it's good months, sometimes it's bad months. But with Section 8, I know exactly how much I'm going to be getting every single month. And that's pretty much it, guys. The pro definitely outweighs the cons because, I own a bunch of other units, and typically, the things are always going to break. Things are going to always require maintenance. So that's going to come with the territory. But some of the other rentals that I have don't have that government back guaranteed. And so that's why I'm diving way deeper on Section 8. I'm going to continue to buy more and more because, It's easy. They're paying more for the market rent, and it's guaranteed. What more can you ask for? So, short video. I hope this was helpful. Let me know down in the comment section what kind of pros and cons you guys are seeing if you're doing Section 8, or if you have any questions in general about Section 8, hit the link. Guys, I am here to just be a resource to you guys. I love what's happening. I love the community that we're building. Let's go. Peace out.